How to copy and paste pictures from any app into text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, in here, you want to open up your text conversation and during a text conversation, if you want to copy and paste images into your text, what you do is you go to the app that has the images, such as the gallery app. In here, I will go into my gallery app and I'll select a pictures. So for example, this one here, I can touch and hold into an image like this. Here you can select one or multiple pictures and then tap on more and then tap on copy to clipboard. After that, we go to the text messages app and then tap on the text box in here. Then touch and hold on the text box and tap on paste. And here you can see it has the capability to paste multiple items. And then tap on the send button. So here I've got the image and it will send. Now another thing that you can do is you can select just the objects inside the image like this. Touch and hold and you can see this object is selected. Then we can choose copy. So instead of copying the whole image, it will only select and copy the objects inside the image. Here I'll go to my text and paste it. And you can see in here, instead of attaching an image with the background, here we only select an actual image. The same for the web page. If you go to a web page, you can select the image, then choose copy image. That will be copied to the clipboard. And once the image is in the clipboard, you can tap on paste to paste it. You can also bring up the clipboard in here and then you can paste it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.